All right, 4 more proofs. Let's see what we can do. These guys here are both parallel. These guys here are both equal. We have our reflexive. Because they're parallel, we can use our angles. I can't say A because it's 3 different ones, either the whole one or this one, so I have to be more specific. And our reason is those parallel lines give us that alternate interior angles are congruent to each other. So looking at my picture, I have AS. That's all I needed. I do need to make sure that my A and my S all come in together. And so we're going to start with the B and the D, and then the A goes with the C, and then the C goes with the... All right, let's go ahead and look at this one here. So these dudes are equal because they're both 50. You can say G is 50, I is 50, they're equal to each other. There's a lot of different things that you can say on that. You can say 50 equals 50. I'm really not that picky about that. You're just telling us that those things are equal to each other. I also know that we have some verticals. I can't say H equals H. I need to be much more specific. Notice I didn't just say vertical, I said how they are actually related to each other. And, and then I have 5 and a 4, those aren't equal. So all I can do is say that they are similar. So triangle GHF is similar to triangle IHJ because of A. All right, let's look at this one. So, I have an angle here and an angle here. So angle SUT equals angle UTV. And I'm going to say 90 just in case I end up needing that. Now, this is tricksy. Hopefully you can recognize that we don't have congruent triangles here. But this 3, we're not going to say 3 equals 3 because this is the small one of this triangle, which is supposed to go to 3 of the small one of that triangle. And then 3 is the big one of this triangle, and that goes with 6, which is the big one of that triangle, and we say that those are not equal ratios. So these are not similar or congruent, either way. All right, let's go down to our last one. So I don't have the same information on these, but I do know that that is a 5. PQ is equal to 5 because of Pythagorean theorem. I also know that it's equal to 5 because it's a Pythagorean triple, so I didn't even have to do the math on there. But that is our reason, Pythagorean theorem. So now I have that. So I know that these two are equal, but they're also equal to 90. And I need to write that right now, just in case I need it. And I'm kind of looking ahead and seeing that I will. So just angles being equal to each other like here are not as powerful as them being equal to 90. So if they are, you definitely want to say that. And now I can say that what KM is equal to RQ, given. And I can use this one together with this one. And I don't want to be picky, but the reason isn't technically given on this one because I am using part of the given and part of what I got here. So our reason is actually substitution. If you wrote given, it's not the end of the world, but technically it's not because, again, I used a given and a substitution to do my answer. So finally, I have all of these together. And the reason why that was so important to say the 90 is this is H and L, or it's ASS. Now, if you had found, no, it doesn't matter. You could have found the other one too, but the quickest way is HL. So again, because I have said it's 90, I can use HL. And I'm going to say triangle L goes with P, and M is on the short side, Q is on the short side, K is on the long side, R is on the long side. And that is congruency. All right.